So, good morning everyone. I am Donadio Borregio. I am your competency assessor for Cookery Institute. So, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Lali Jane Julio, our AC manager, and Ms. Janelle Marquez, our representative from the Provincial Office. Good morning, ma'am. So, you not have to worry about their presence. They are only here to oversee the conduct of the assessment and to ensure if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodologies and procedures. So before we start, submit your admission slip. As I call your name, please sign the attendance sheet. Angel Fatima Nagaran. Admission slip. Sabi Nurin. Ruby Joy Utrera. Kylie Mabalhin. Lamot sa Janelle. Thank you. So, I have here with me your accomplished self-assessment guide. This is an indication that you know and can perform all the unit of competencies enumerated for Cookery Institute. I would like to welcome you to our center for your assessment. The purpose of this assessment is to determine your level of competency for this qualification. Today, I am going to administer a competency assessment for Cookery Institute. It is a qualification level with core competencies, namely, prepare appetizers and prepare vegetable dish. To determine your knowledge and skills for Cookery Institute, the assessment methods we will use will be demonstration and oral questioning. These assessment methods will help to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills. For your personal needs, the comfort room and laboratories are located at the back of this room. And you can also take your meal at our canteen. However, during the assessment, you are not allowed to leave the premises of this assessment center. If you have difficulties understanding the instruction, please do not hesitate to inform me, because I am willing to translate or explain it for you. If you have concerns or questions, kindly raise your hand, because I am willing to assist you. But once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions. It is no longer allowed. In the same token, during the assessment, if you have any physical or form of difficulty, do not hesitate to call my attention so that we can address it immediately. If you have questions regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. You can submit your appeal to our Presto Provincial Office where the assessors and assessment center are accredited. For the issuance of national certificate, the AC manager shall inform you where you can claim your national certificate within 3 working days after the assessment. After the assessment and you are found to be not yet competent, do not worry because you can be reassessed in your own convenience. If the reassessment is for qualification, you have to undergo the whole assessment process. If you have found to be not yet competent in some unit of competencies, the reassessment will only focus to those units of competencies that you are found to be not yet competent. However, if you fail 2 consecutive assessments, you will be advised to undergo a refresher course before applying for reassessment. During the actual assessment, please observe safety as you perform the task. In case of an accident, please call my attention immediately so that we can provide you with first aid. With regard to the result of your assessment, we observe strict confidentiality. This is to ensure your integrity. The result is only made available to the authorized personnel and to the institution where you had your actual training. About this, the assessment package is kept in a secure place to guarantee the integrity of the assessment package. Also, I ask all the candidates to refrain from giving away any form of information that took place during the assessment process. So, any questions, clarifications? So, if there are no more questions, we will start the assessment. Now I want you to be ready for your actual demonstration. So, candidate number 1 and 2, let's proceed to the assessment area. since we are done with the demonstration of skills, we will be having the oral interview. I will be calling you individually. Mr. Clamocha, please proceed to the interview area. So your first question, why is it important to follow appropriate cooking methods in the preparation of vegetables dish?
Following appropriate cooking methods when preparing vegetable dishes is crucial for preserving nutrients, enhancing flavor and texture, using food safety, improving visibility, maintaining aesthetic appeal, and respecting cultural culinary traditions.
Okay, so next question. How important is storing vegetables at the correct temperature?
Storing vegetables at the correct temperature is crucial for preserving freshness, nutritional value, flavor, and safety, while also minimizing food waste.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Mabalhin, please proceed to the area. So, your first question, why is it important to follow appropriate cooking methods in the preparation of vegetable dish?
So it is important because it achieves the desired outcome.
So, how important is storing vegetables at the correct temperature?
It is important to store at the correct temperature so that it will not spoil the food.
Okay, so thank you. Hello candidates, we are done with the methods of assessment. This time I will give you now the results of your assessment. I will call you one by one. So, Mr. Clamocha, please proceed. Mr. Clamocha. So how do you feel about the assessment?
Nervous.
Okay.
And a little bit nervous.
So, okay, Mr. Camocha, here's the result of your assessment. For the written test, you have passed. So, for the demonstration, you have successfully performed and prepared the vegetable dish. You wear complete PPE while performing the task. Also, you know the appropriate cooking methods in preparing the dish. For the oral questioning, your answers to the questions were also practically precise, providing the needed answers and to-dos in cooking. Now, please sign this competency assessment result summary. So, for the issuance of national certificate, the AC manager shall inform you where to claim your national certificate within 3 days. In this regard, I would like to say congratulations. Ms. Mabalhin, please proceed. How do you feel about the assessment?
Feeling nervous.
Okay, so Miss Mabalhin, I admire your confidence and courage in taking this assessment. For the demonstration, you managed to finish the dish. Long time. However, I have observed that you were not wearing the complete PPE while preparing the dish, which is very important for food and safety practices. Also, in the oral questioning, I noticed that you are very hesitant and not confident in answering the questions. Based on the results of my observation during the demonstration and oral questioning, the outcome of your assessment is that you are not yet competent. So, however, you can be reassessed anytime at your own convenience. If you have doubt regarding to the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. You can submit your appeal to our TESDA provincial office where the assessment center and the assessor are accredited. Now please sign this competency assessment result summary. Thank you. Candidates, our assessment has officially ended. Before leaving the assessment premises, I would like everyone to perform 5S. Thank you, candidates, for participating for this assessment and have a safe journey back home. Thank you.